Ever find yourself struggling to locate a good tutoring service for your child or even for yourself? It's a common conundrum, isn't it? Scouring through endless lists of tutors only to be constrained by geographical limitations or lack of qualifications. And let's not forget the eternal battle with time, trying to squeeze in tutoring sessions amidst hectic schedules. It's a struggle that's all too familiar and often feels like a losing battle. What if there was a solution that could address all these issues? Enter the world of online tutoring, a revolutionary approach to learning. With the advent of technology, tutoring has evolved, breaking down geographical barriers and opening up a global platform for knowledge exchange. Imagine having access to the best tutors from around the world right at your fingertips, no matter where you are. The beauty of online tutoring lies in its flexibility. It allows for personalized learning at your own pace and schedule. No more juggling between school, extracurricular activities, and tutoring sessions. With automated scheduling tools, you can efficiently manage your appointments, making the process seamless and stress-free. But it's not just about convenience. Online tutoring broadens the horizon, reaching out to students from all corners of the globe. It's about creating a global learning community where knowledge isn't limited by borders or time zones. But like any solution, online tutoring isn't without its challenges. While the benefits are clear, there are a few hurdles to consider. The world of online tutoring isn't without its challenges. Key among them are the technical requirements. Both tutors and students need reliable internet connections and compatible devices to ensure smooth learning sessions. This can be daunting, but with a little research and investment, it's a hurdle that can be easily overcome. Then there's the competitive nature of the online tutoring market. It's a busy space filled with many voices. Effective marketing is crucial to rise above the noise. But remember, it's not just about being heard, it's about connecting with your audience in a meaningful way. Yet, with proper planning and implementation, these challenges can be effectively managed. So, are you ready to embrace the future of learning? Just imagine the convenience of learning from anywhere, anytime, with a global range of qualified tutors at your fingertips. It's time to consider online tutoring as a solution for your educational needs. The flexibility it offers is unparalleled, accommodating various schedules and time zones, and the choices are vast. From math to languages, science to arts, there's a tutor out there who's perfect for you or your child. You can even find tutors who specialize in test preparation or those who cater to students with learning disabilities. Make the most of the digital age and its offerings. Don't let the struggles of traditional tutoring hold you back. Explore the world of online tutoring today.